Our next speaker is Paromita Sarker. Paromita is from the Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering. The title of Paromita's talk is Making a Brain-like Environment to Understand Drug Impact on Breast Cancer. Thank you.
Have you ever tried solving a puzzle only to realize that the pieces needed to complete it are missing? Frustrating, isn't it? Now imagine that this puzzle is someone's health and the pieces missing are critical to saving their life. Breast cancer affects millions of women worldwide. While many fight and overcome it, for some, it can spread to other parts of the body. For example, the bone, brain, and lung. If it reaches the brain, it becomes one of the most devastating challenges that they can face because treatments that work elsewhere in the body often fail in the brain. And the reality is heartbreaking because 90% of these women lose their battle within the first 1 to 2 years. It's like we are fighting with our hands tied, unable to find these missing pieces. My PhD thesis is all about finding those missing pieces. To solve this challenge, first we need to understand how breast cancer cells behave in the brain. But since we cannot just open a human brain and look inside so easily, I have created a brain-like environment in the lab. I made a special substance that resembles a jello, except this version is not edible. It is made using hyaluronic acid, which is a key building block of the brain's natural environment. It allows my jello to be able to mimic the softness and feel of the human brain tissue. But it gets even more exciting from here. I can actually modify this jello by adding specific components that are present in the brain, like different cells and proteins. And by adding these components one at a time, I'm being able to figure out their individual effects on these cancer cells. But this is not where I stop. After setting up this brain-like environment, I then introduce drug treatments. Then I observe and I ask the important questions. Do the drug stop the breast tumor from growing or change how they behave? By testing the drugs in different brain-like settings, I am able to figure out which treatment might be the most effective in the real brain. And I can also uncover why the cancer cells behave the way they do and potentially how to stop them. Every experiment is like finding those missing pieces and adding it back to the puzzle. And at the end of the day, it's about more than just science. It's about hope for countless women who have fought, who are still fighting, and those we love. And every discovery we make takes us a step closer to a world where breast cancer, even in the brain, is not a death sentence, but a battle we know how to win. Thank you.